I just found a website making $35,000 per month that quite frankly nearly put me to sleep because it's so boring. However, when I realized how much money this boring little website could make, I poured myself another bowl of honeycombs and decided to dig in.
I love boring. All my businesses are boring. This video is awesome, but there is a catch.
I'm going to show why boring little website ideas are often overlooked as good businesses and yet sometimes have the most potential to make money.
That's true. There is always a big fat but.
In today's video, you'll see where this site gets its traffic, how it makes money, and how you might implement these same strategies with your own boring idea. Oh, the website is unitconverters.net. That's right, entire website dedicated to the very exciting subject of unit conversions. Want to know how many meters are in a mile? Or how many inches are in a mile? This boring website has you covered. The reality is that this website has hundreds of conversion calculators ranging from simple length or weight to more complex engineering, fluids, or even radiology converters.
Before we move forward, there are three problems in this kind of websites. Number one is the technology or building the website. Number two is monetization or how you make the money. And number three is the biggest problem, where you get the traffic from.
Did I put you to sleep yet? Let's get to the exciting stuff. How much money this site makes. This website makes money with display ads. You can see all the ads on the site whenever you try to use one of the conversion calculators. According to SimilarWeb, this website gets 4.5 million visitors per month. With the average visitor viewing 1.55 pages per visit, you can quickly see why this website is making so much money. A quick display ad calculator shows that when I put an RPM of a very conservative $5, this website is likely making over $35,000 per month. And now that's a number that is not boring.
Okay, one question is answered. They're making money from display ads. Now, because display ads don't pay you a lot of money. They pay you like $5 for 1 million visitors. That's a lot. Where will you get that kind of traffic?
But how does this website get traffic? Well, SimilarWeb shows that over 80% of the traffic is coming directly from Google organic search.
And that is where my problem is. Google's traffic is great. It's free, but it comes from something called SEO or search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is a complete science. Like physics, chemistry, it is a full science. You learn it, you do it, and after a while it stops working. You go back learning what's working right now, keep doing, and maybe you will win, maybe not. If you manage to keep your system working, then you keep making money. But if SEO fails, then you lose all your money. So my point is, free traffic is great, Google's traffic is awesome, but it is unpredictable. This is a great income, but it is not reliable. You cannot quit your 9 to 5 based on this income. So this video is interesting to watch, but hard to follow through and actually get results using the formula. But I am here to help you make money. So here is another platform who also get tons of organic traffic, tons of social traffic, tons of paid traffic, and tons of direct traffic. But this website has only buyers. They land on this website to buy. They have 500,000 monthly buyer visitor. And most of them are from US, UK, tier 1 countries. So they are serious buyers. My point is putting all your effort in something called SEO for something very technical that you have no idea of. I guess most of my viewers don't have idea how to build a unique converter website. This website solves your traffic and money problem. It is called Etsy.com. Go to Etsy.com, create a seller's account, and start selling stuff like this. Here is a great niche. It's called colorful mid-century modern digital print. You don't have to go that far. Just search with mid-century modern. You will get a lot of suggestions. Do your research, find what's working, list your product, and start selling. Now, this store has got 2,169 reviews, which means they got approximately 10 times more sales, which is 21,690 sales. And if we put average price $15.15, that's $328,603 in sales revenue. They are selling nothing but a PDF. Well, you must be thinking it is a crowded marketplace. How can you get traction? Very simple. Go to Pinterest. Pinterest is famous for this type of niches. And you will see tons of people posting their Etsy listings directly on Pinterest.com, such as this one, this one, this one, this, and a lot of them. Do they really get traffic from Pinterest? Here is the proof. The majority of social traffic on Etsy is coming from Pinterest. And for this, you don't even need a website. Your Etsy listing is your web page. It is making money directly from Etsy to your bank account. If you're curious, Pinterest has 1.2 billion visitors per month, and tons of their visitors come from organic search, which is Google, and 55% of that traffic are direct traffic. They come directly to Pinterest to see what's new. Now the technical part. Now in order to build a unique converter website, you either need to know coding yourself, or you need to know how to use AI to code a website like this, which is pretty easy. Maybe I will show you shortly. But you can completely ignore the technical part, coding or AI, by using print-on-demand companies. For example, if you use Printify, go to their website, click sign up and connect, design your products. You can design using AI, or you can use any other platform to design. I mean these designs. Connect your Etsy shop with Printify. Now, whenever someone purchases from your shop, the order will directly go to Printify, and Printify will print your product and ship to your customers while you don't know anything. Printify will keep their charges and you keep the difference. Now let me show you how to use free AI from Facebook. Go to Facebook Messenger and click Meta AI, and then say something like, draw an abstract photo frame hanging on the wall on a sofa, and let's see what happens. Your image is ready. It's completely free. You don't have to pay any software to make these designs. You just need to list them on Etsy, connect your Etsy shop with Printify, and promote it on Pinterest. So step 1, use Meta or any other AI to create design. Go and create Etsy shop and listing, connect with Printify, and promote your listing to Pinterest. Pinterest will send you traffic. When there is a sale, order will go to Printify. Printify will print and ship it to customers. They will keep their charges and pay you the difference. Simple money. This was somewhere between boring and interesting, and it has a little bit of work, but you have more chances to make money because traffic is in your hand and is literally not technical at all. Tell me how cool it is to make a design like this using a free AI. Unbelievable. And actually make cold hard cash with. If you want to take the hassle and create your own unique converter website, simply go to ChatGPT and type code and design a unique converter website. Then write step-by-step details how to install the site into my server. Hit enter and see the magic. AI is writing the code for you without you even knowing what's going on, without you ever code yourself or even hire someone to code something for you, even without designing a website yourself. And now AI is writing the step-by-step instruction how to install this code in your server and launch your unique converter website. I'm trying to use a basic page builder and create a page from scratch. Name it Unit Converter. I will add an HTML element, copy the whole code, put the code here, click save. And look at this. If I publish the page, then here is how it looks like. So right now, it's only length and weight, meters, kilometers, feet, and miles. So if you want to convert meters into feet and put a value, let's say 36, click convert, and it's converted immediately. Now I will ask ChatGPT, list all the units that a comprehensive unit converter calculator should have. Now ChatGPT is writing all the possible units. Now I will say, include all of them, then code and design the unit converter website again. AI is working, let it work. We will come back when it's done. I got the new code, Control C, edit the code here, Control V. And now, my friend, all the unit types are added. Let's say temperature. The new calculator shows all those units, but it doesn't let you convert from one unit to another. So I went back and asked that this is not complete, and why is that? So it says that it is complex and we have to do a lot of work. Do you want me to do one by one? I said start one by one. So now it added temperature conversion, and here is the new code. So I just copied the new code, paste it here, click save. I know only temperature is added and nothing else. So I'm going to try with temperature. Let's say 36 degrees Celsius will be 96.8 degree Fahrenheit. That's good. I'll go back to ChatGPT and say, works fine. Now add area conversion. Now the AI says the code has been updated to include area conversion functionality. It's so exciting. I'm just gonna copy this, edit the code, click save, publish, and refresh. Now when I select area, I should be able to see, units to unit conversion. So 12 square meters equals 129.1668 square feet. This is good. Now I know how it works. I just have to go and tell one by one to add a new unit. And this way I can create my own unit converter website. There is another boring way to make money, and that is called high ticket affiliate marketing. And the reason it's boring is that it's literally 99% done for you. Yogesh made $200 in affiliate commissions, completely passive income the other day. On the same day, Nathan made another $200 commission. Ilham made $300 commission, and the day before that, Yogesh made another $300 commission. On the same day, Nathan made another $300 commission. And tons of other beginner members of our program made $500, $650, $1,250 in affiliate commissions for one sale. What I'm talking about is called high ticket affiliate marketing, where you don't have to create a product, no need customer support, no selling, no shipping. You use AI, automated funnel, and 99% of technical work done for you. If you want to learn more, there is a complete step-by-step free training in the link in the description. Go watch the training, you will enjoy, and you will learn literally everything. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. After watching the training, if you still have questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Did you like this video? Smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Share this video with your friends and family if you think it is useful. And to learn more money-making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.